Hello, this is our demonstration for the capacitance portion of our multimeter. So I'm going to connect it. It's going to turn on. At this point, the relay is going to activate for the calibration. It's going to begin giving us readings. We'll give it a few seconds for the frequency to settle down. There's been enough time. I'm going to connect this 1 nanofarad capacitor. The frequency is going to change, and we're going to get a reading of 931 picofarads for this capacitor, which is approximately 1 nanofarad. When we measured this capacitor with an actual multimeter, we received around 800 or 900 picofarads for it. That's the conclusion for our first part. Resistance portion of our multimeter. For this part, right now it's open and shorted. The user gets notified, and once we connect the 10K ohm resistor, we have the following. That ends our resistor portion. So this is our inductance measuring portion of the circuit. I'm going to connect it now. At this point, it's going to still be in capacitance. So in order to change the mode, we're going to ground one of the pins to switch modes. At this point, it's reading inductance. I'm going to connect one of these pins. Rewire the inductance for it to be in series. Connect the unknown inductor. And we get a reading. That concludes our inductance portion.